The evidence does suggest that individual neurons very rarely represent a single clean feature like Michael Jordan. And there may actually be a very good reason this is the case, related to an idea floating around interpretability researchers these days known as superposition. This is a hypothesis that might help to explain both why the models are especially hard to interpret, and also why they scale surprisingly well. The basic idea is that if you have an n-dimensional space, and you want to represent a bunch of different features using directions that are all perpendicular to one another in that space, that way if you add a component in one direction, it doesn't influence any of the other directions, then the maximum number of vectors you can fit is only n, the number of dimensions. To a mathematician, actually, this is the definition of dimension. But where it gets interesting is if you relax that constraint a little bit and you tolerate some noise. Say you allow those features to be represented by vectors that aren't exactly perpendicular,